world is more incredible than we can imagine. We just have to go beyond what we have been taught. Away from the noise, daily routine and materialistic life. It is in the discomfort of the journey, where we can find our strength and freedom. And where we get close to discovering who we truly are. The mountains don't care about walls and laws, they are powerful and free. Lakes reflect who we truly are, what we feel deep in our heart. Exploring is not just about traveling the world or discovering new places. It's about delving deep into yourself, discovering what lives in your soul. Travel makes us grow. It opens our eyes and reminds us that the journey is more internal than external. Every step, every moment, tells a story. Step outside, explore and create your own story.
Xin được chúc mừng tác giả Malulein với tác phẩm Chau Việt Nam.
Congratulations the author Malulein on his work Charming Vietnam.
The videos I create should convey a story, experience and memories. It documents the entire experience in just a few minutes.